In the early hours of the morning, the first signs of the wildfire began to emerge. The dry conditions and strong winds created a perfect storm, allowing the flames to spread rapidly. Firefighters were quickly dispatched to the scene, but the situation was already dire. As the day progressed, the wildfire continued to grow in intensity. Evacuation orders were issued for nearby communities, and residents were urged to leave their homes immediately. The smoke from the fire could be seen from miles away, creating an eerie and ominous sky. By the afternoon, the wildfire had consumed thousands of acres of land. Emergency services were stretched thin, and additional resources were called in from neighboring regions. The fight to contain the blaze was ongoing, with no end in sight. As night fell, the fire showed no signs of slowing down. The brave men and women on the front lines continued their efforts, battling the flames with everything they had. The community rallied together, offering support and aid to those affected. The resilience and determination of everyone involved were truly inspiring.